Designed for easy use and maintenance, the Marson 160 SP tool from Alcoa Fastening Systems comes with everything you need to install rivet nuts from 632 through 1/2 13 and 4 mm through 12 mm, including the installation tool, nose assemblies, mandrels, and an oil filling bottle. This video is designed to demonstrate the steps required to maintain this workhorse tool. The initial step in the maintenance process is replacing the mandrel. You'll first need to loosen the nose assembly. Then unscrew the tube, allowing access to the mandrel. Next, remove the mandrel by angling it upward. Reverse this process to replace it with a new mandrel. Screw the tube back onto the tool. And tighten the nose assembly. You'll then want to fill the tool with fresh oil. First, turn the 160 SP tool on its side. Rotate the nut at the bottom of the tool in order to adjust the stroke all the way to the positive. Connect the air source. Next, using an Allen wrench, unscrew the top oil plug and screw in the supplied oil fill bottle. With the bottle connected to the tool, cycle the tool a few times, ensuring that fresh oil is added. Replace the oil plug, being sure to tighten it. Wipe off any excess oil. To ensure that the nose piece is tightened properly, you may need to hand adjust the lock nut nose piece to the correct depth. As a final check, it's always a good idea to pull a rivet nut to complete the process. The Marson 160 SP Rivet Nut Tool, easy to use and easy to maintain.
Arconic Fastening Systems, innovation engineered.